Guys, can we give Umam Ngcobo and Ubab Ngcobo their flowers though? Like both of them are celebrities, very well known, very accomplished people, and they've always been like that. Well, thina sikhule bevele nje baziwa sazi ukuthi banemali, they were very well known and all of that, but they still managed to raise very respectful, very humble, and very hardworking children. Okay, you never really hear scandals when it comes to the Ngcobo kids, even though they are no longer really kids. You never really hear stories of Ingane Ngcobo doing that whole thing of, do you know who I am? Do you know who my mother is? Do you know who my father is? You never hear of such stories. And also, you guys, they've kind of managed to stay clean, if you know what I mean, okay? We haven't heard of any rehab stories. If there have been any rehab stories, they've managed to do all of that under the radar. You understand what I mean? Like, honestly, you guys, the work ethic, when you look at Abontombe, I just watched a reunion of the Mami Club. When you see Untombe working, and you also see her sister Uvuyi there by the sports show, and also the boys, just all of them, you guys, like, it's almost like it's not the kids of the celebrities. Like, you don't see that arrogance that you see sometimes in Ganenzama celebrities, And I'm so glad, Uti, honestly, when they did a reality show, Yabo, they only decided to do just one season. I hope that they are not coming with another season, because I do think, you guys, they have something precious. It's really nice to always wonder what that family is up to, for us to not know everything about them. But I really feel like, you guys, they have a secret to share, but it's also good that they are not sharing it with us. It's good to know, Guti, even as a celebrity, you are still able to raise such good, respectful, very humble, very hardworking, and kids that have like work ethic still. As a celebrity, you don't have to it's not like if you're a celebrity, you're obviously going to have these kids that are going to end up in like scandals, and then getting arrested for hours, and then being in and out of rehabs and not wanting to work and all of that. Like, can we just give them their flowers? How did they do it? How did they do it?